currently in Clementine the bus, and we are on our way to Apache Lake for the weekend. I'm excited because I haven't taken the bus out in a while because I just had a month full of birthdays, and then I was on my family camping trip, and I had a cruise for my brother's birthday, and it's just been crazy. So I'm actually going with my parents, and they're bringing the jet skis, and I'm meeting my friend Sam there. Look at this camp spot. Plenty of flat ground, right on the water. There's porta potties and lots of room for our jet skis. We haven't even gone out on the skis yet, and my dad's van is stuck in the water, and I've been trying to tow it with my bus, which was not made for towing. How are you doing?
I've been better.
This is gonna be strong, okay?
They borrowed a chain from other campers, and it's going. That truck that has dually tires and four-wheel drive just showed up out of nowhere and towed my dad's truck out, and he just went to return the chain that we borrowed, and the van is alive. Well, it took us a few hours. Freedom! Using my dad's GoPro for the first time. Pretty sweet. I'm on his 80s two-seater jet ski right now, the Super Chicken. Sam is on the Sea-Doo Spark. Hang on, let me turn this off so you can actually hear me. All right, me and Sam are gonna go check out the marina. Say hi, Sam. It's just around the corner. I've actually never been to this camp spot before, so I have no idea how far it is, but my parents said it's close, so we're gonna go there next. Oh my gosh! Well, that was kind of crazy. Well, anyway, we're at the marina. We made it. You got him? Oh my gosh, what kind of fish are they? That's not your jet ski. Get out of here. We didn't realize that there's a fire at the lake that's connected to the lake that we're currently at, and that one got completely evacuated. We keep seeing the fire rescue planes flying overhead, and we think they're scooping down to grab water from the lakes and taking it to the fires. And it's also been pretty windy, which is not helping. Oh, there's another one. Oh, there he is. Oh, there he goes.
Are you usually fish? Yours is better for lakes. Oh, that's a nice spot.
Something bit twice, but it let go both times. Oh, I need help. Okay. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, down he goes. Wait. Oh, no. My parents went to go find a beach and they jet skied to it, and I'm just working because I knew I'd have to get a little bit of work done on this trip. But it is literally so nice to be able to sit here getting my work done, and this is my view. Just sitting in the sun without it being 110 degrees is beautiful, so I'm enjoying myself so much, and I already don't want to go back tomorrow. But I only have a week from today, and then we're leaving on a cruise, and I'm really, really excited about the cruise. So as soon as I get home, I have to start packing for that. I'm pretty sure some of my dad's friends are coming in today, so we'll see. Last sunset at Apache Lake. We're leaving in the morning. For a little ride to see if I can find the spot where the planes are picking up water out of the lake, but my dad said I can get a ticket for riding in the dark, and the sun is already setting behind the mountains and I have no concept of time, so I think I'm just gonna go back now. He loves trying to run into me. And I don't know if you can really see them from here, but the rest of my dad's friends got here. We're leaving tomorrow, so we're only gonna really get to hang out with them tonight. But it looks like one of them brought a bow and the rest just brought more jet skis. Catch me. Say hi.
Okay. Hi.
Whoa! I already peed a little when I saw it.
Oh. Oh. He's a big spider. Like.
I literally tried to reach over for toilet paper and that's what I almost grabbed. It looks like our campsite's getting taken over by a jet ski gang. There's my dad. I'm gonna try to get drone footage today, but my dad's trailer just broke. So first his van gets stuck, now his trailer's broken. I'm gonna take my mom home in the bus. Oh goodness. My dad has to run 2 hours back into town to go get a replacement bearing. And my mom's actually never ridden in the bus before, so that'll be fun. I don't think I've ever driven the bus more cautiously than having my mom be in it for the first time. But we made it to Globe safely. We're on the way home. We got like 2 hours left to go. My dad is probably not gonna get back home until tonight. He went to go get a part to replace one that broke. And this has been our very chaotic lake trip. Hiya! Popping in with a quick update. You know my dad's truck got stuck when we first got there and I tried to tow it with my bus. Luckily, that random strange man showed up and was willing to help. Then you know that my dad's trailer broke, and he had to stay behind for a few extra hours while my mom and I went home so he could fix the trailer. Well, he fixed the trailer, backed the van into the water to get the jet skis, and got stuck again. Luckily, the same man happened to come back with a different truck, also with four-wheel drive, to help my dad get unstuck again. And so, to top it all off, my dad's brake lights, of course, went out on the drive home. And of course he had to get pulled over because the brake lights weren't working properly. Everyone's home safe now, but what a crazy weekend. Anyway, I kind of forgot to close, but have a wonderful week and I'll see you next time. Mwah.